What if I told you Saturn, the majestic ringed giant, is hiding secrets that could change how we see our solar system forever? Saturn could float in water. Yes, it's that light. Or that it might be raining diamonds right now. Buckle up. We're diving deep into Saturn. Get ready to uncover the secrets of Saturn. From its hexagon storm to its stunning rings, Saturn is full of wonders. And let's not forget Titan, with lakes of liquid methane. Stay tuned as we unravel Saturn's mysteries. Saturn is so light that if you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float effortlessly. Imagine a planet bobbing like a giant cosmic beach ball. Saturn's unique composition of hydrogen and helium makes it incredibly buoyant. These light gases give Saturn an average density less than water. Let's talk about Saturn's most iconic feature, those stunning, mesmerizing rings. From a distance, they look solid, like a celestial frisbee, but up close, they're billions of particles, each unique. Ice, rock, cosmic debris, from grains to massive chunks. Surprisingly, they're relatively young in cosmic terms, only about 100 to 400 million years old. Dinosaurs roamed Earth before Saturn had its rings. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to take a wild ride through Saturn's atmosphere. First up, let's head to Saturn's North Pole, where you'll find a storm shaped like a perfect hexagon. This massive storm, larger than our entire planet, has been raging for decades, possibly even centuries. But that's not all. Saturn's got more tricks up its gaseous sleeve. Get ready for winds so fast they'd make a fighter jet look like it's standing still. We're talking about wind speeds reaching over 1,100 miles per hour. It's a turbulent, chaotic, and utterly mesmerizing atmosphere. Get ready to have your mind officially blown because we're about to talk about diamond rain. Deep within Saturn's atmosphere, there's an incredible combination of factors: lightning storms, an abundance of carbon, and pressure so intense it would crush a diamond on Earth into dust. But on Saturn, that pressure, combined with the lightning and carbon, creates the perfect conditions for diamond formation. Scientists believe that these diamonds, some perhaps as large as a human fist, literally rain down from the upper atmosphere. It's a cosmic treasure trove beyond our wildest dreams. Now, let's shift our gaze from the planet itself to its entourage, a celestial court of over 140 confirmed moons. You've probably heard of Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the only moon in our solar system with a thick atmosphere. There's Enceladus, a tiny, icy moon that's shooting geysers of water vapor into space, hinting at a subsurface ocean that might harbor life. Then there's Mimas, a moon that looks suspiciously like the Death Star from Star Wars. With so many moons, each more intriguing than the last, Saturn's system is a treasure trove of discovery. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the mind-blowing world of Saturn. From its lightweight composition to its diamond rain and its plethora of moons, Saturn is a testament to the boundless creativity of the cosmos. Like what you saw? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join me next time as we venture further into the cosmos. Keep looking up. Keep asking questions and never lose your sense of wonder. Gap 3S. But wait, there's more. Saturn's magnetic field is another fascinating aspect of this gas giant. Did you know that Saturn has a magnetic field that is 578 times more powerful than Earth's? This immense magnetic field creates a magnetosphere that extends millions of kilometers into space. It captures charged particles, leading to the creation of stunning auroras at the planet's poles. These auroras are similar to Earth's northern and southern lights but are much more intense and colorful. Scientists continue to study Saturn's magnetic field to understand its origins and behavior, adding yet another layer of mystery and wonder to this captivating planet. Exploration missions. Saturn has been visited by several spacecraft, including Pioneer 11 Voyager 1 Voyager 2 and the Cassini-Huygens mission. The Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017, provided a wealth of information about the planet, its rings, and its moons. The Huygens probe, which was part of the Cassini mission, landed on Titan and sent back the first images from the surface of this mysterious moon. These missions have greatly expanded our understanding of Saturn and its complex system. Saturn's massive size and gravitational pull have a significant impact on the solar system. It has helped shape the orbits of other planets and has even influenced the formation of the asteroid belt. Saturn's gravity also affects the orbits of its many moons, creating tidal forces that can cause geological activity. Understanding Saturn's influence on the solar system helps scientists learn more about the dynamics of planetary systems and the forces that shape them. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.